So magandang araw kabole. Sa video nito pag-uusapan natin kabole, pre-agency tayo, ano po. So may isang player na San Miguel Beerman kabole na pwedeng pumasok po, ano. So unrestricted pre-agency kabole. And then big news about Meralco superstar. So may hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Start with the comments muna. DMP Agay, no? Tama ka boss, kung dinignan lineup ng Meralco, it's not super team but getting a crown. Yes. Reynold Barbosidad, yes sir. User BK1, sabi, anong nangyari? Upos ang SMC, punulbos ng Meralco ang SMC. Ang sabi nga, bilog ang bola. Ano ka kayo ngayon? Meralco lang ang katapat nyo. It was Meralco at its peak form, kabola. Pero in reality din kasi, San Miguel is in a way at their peak form din, no? So again, it was an incredible championship by the Meralco Bolts, kabola. They beat Ginebra and Meralco. Take note nyo, hindi lang po, Ginebra and San Miguel. Hindi lang po dapat nakapokus sa pagkatalo po ni San Miguel. Tinalo din po nila ang Ginebra sa semis, okay? Tinalo din nila yung Ginebra. So the two most powerful lineup, tinalo po ng Meralco. So it was a championship talaga, kabola, like no other, kabola. Now, pag-usapan natin to, una sa Gilas, ano po, so si Brownlee nakabalik na. Pero injured si AJ Edu at saka si Jamie Malonzo, kabola. Of course, crucial po na part ng team actually itong dalawang to. For me, they are, I think, at the upper half in terms of importance. Si Edu, kabola, of course, we know siya yung, kumbaga, main na rim protector ng team, kabola. Kasi nga, si Japet Aguilar sana, pero alam naman natin na may katandaan na po si Japet Aguilar. So, it actually should be AJ Edu. So, wala sila nung main protector nila, kabola. So, magre-rely sila ngayon kay Kai Soto, their tallest player, kabola. And then, of course, they're old but still credible, Japet Aguilar. Ito naman si Jamie Malonzo. Ito kasi talaga, ito talaga pang international sana eh. 6'6'7" kasi ito, kabola, na pwede talagang sumabay sa mga wingman po na malalaki ng ibang international teams, kabola. So, sayang. Pero still, they are better be prepared po. Sana, let us hope na maging maayos po yung health nila, kabola. Now, naggumawa po na article si Homer Saison. And to be honest, we just want to answer, no? Ito mga claims niya dito. Of course, he's trying to defend Coach George Gallant, kabola. For me, hindi naman shocking, ano po, knowing how he writes Sir Homer, na didepensahan niya po si Sir George or si Coach George Gallant. Pero pagbabasahin mo kasi yung kanya pong article, at yung parang pinaka-credence kasi, kabola, ng kiniklaim niya kung bakit hindi dapat po gawing scapegoat, hindi dapat i-fire si Gallant is that hindsight is always 2020. Kumbaga, that is very weak po as kumiha. It's a very, very weak po, kabola, na justification to keep George Gallant, kabola. It's kind of very weak, kabola, di ba? And then, of course, sinabi niya na yung shooting ng mga players and etc. Ang isa kasi talaga sa pinaka-naging issue, di ba? Pinaka-obvious na issue dito kay Coach George Gallant, wala tayong nakitang maayos sa kanya na adjustment, kabola. Even yung di ba, pagbibigay niya ng minuto kay Vic Manuel na adjustment, hindi niya na-sustain, kabola. And because of that, of course, nakita yun ng mga fans, mas madali na po siya talaga na i-point out at sabihin na they should replace him. Speaking of Vic Manuel, kabola, yun nga, is currently yung situation niya po sa San Miguel, medyo 50-50 na, kabola. Pwede pong, mukhang, kasi nag-aas na siya eh. Nag-aas po siya na, kumbaga, lumipat. Of course, he cannot, technically, he's not eligible to be unrestricted free agent through 7 years, kabola. So, na kay San Miguel Beerman yan, kung papakawalan po nila, kabola, at hayaan niya silang mamili po ng bagong team, si Vic Manuel. Pero kung hindi nila hayaan, kabola, Vic should work it out with San Miguel and try to find for a trade. Now, Meralco Bolts naman, good news, kabola. Chris Newsom pala, hanggang Abril pa, kabola, yung kanya pong kontrata. So, hindi pa po yun matatapos. At the very least, malalaro pa niya yung next tournament and maybe half of the next second tournament, kabola. So, tignan natin. I think Meralco has a good chance of signing him, kabola, an extension. Kabakabal sa lagay mo, lilipat kaya itong si Chris Newsom. Comment na po sa baba.